Hi guys, want to introduce you to a very easy but powerful breath exercise that can be done at any time, evening or morning or even during the day, to bring more attention to yourself and connect with your body, your breath, and most importantly with your felt sense, the experience of yourself as a physicality, as a body, without bringing any meaning to it. So sit down or lie down comfortably, close your eyes, bring your attention to your breathing. Breathing can be moving anywhere in your body. It can be in your chest or your belly or even up in your upper chest and throat. And no matter where it is, just bring your attention to your breath. Notice how it moves, how it opens, how your body expands with the breath, how it comes back to original shape. And as you breathe in, start to notice all of the physical sensations that accompany your breath. The movement of the body, the tingling, the movements of energy, all the subtle sensations that take place. And now, consciously imagine that there's a rubber ball somewhere in your body where the breath is moving already naturally in this place. We start at that place. Let it be the starting point. And expand this ball with your inhalation. Expand this ball so as you're blowing up a rubber ball, and with exhalation this ball comes back to its original shape. With the next breath, move this ball to a very bottom of your pelvis, imagining that this rubber ball is filling up your entire pelvis. Take a few breaths this way, in through the nose, out through the mouth. You don't have to count, but just let go into even inhalation and exhalation. You keep inhale and exhale about the same length. Take a few breaths this way. In the next breath, you move this ball and your attention into your entire belly. So as you breathe in, this rubber ball fills up the entire belly, filling all of your internal organs with life, with breath, with chi. And as you exhale, it all deflates. It comes back to original shape. Experience a few breaths this way. Be aware of all the physical sensations that start to arise simply because you're breathing. In the next breath, move this ball into the midsection of your body, the area between your belly and your chest, the area around your stomach and your diaphragm. You can even put your hands onto your rib cage and feel how the rib cage flares out with each breath. The ball fills up this area in the lower ribs and your stomach, your diaphragm, and it comes back to original shape with every exhalation. With the next breath, breathing in deeply through the nose and out through the mouth, the breath and the ball moves up to your chest, filling up the entire area of your heart and lungs with breath, with life. Again, notice how the chest rises, the entire rib cage expands with the breath, and again comes back, deflating with out-breath, with exhalation to its original shape. Then we move the breath and the awareness to the throat. This is your major expression center. This is where we block what we want to say. So now imagine that with every breath you're creating space in your throat. Your vocal cords relax. Your tension in your throat relaxes. And when you breathe in, this ball fills up the entire area around your neck and your throat. When you exhale, again the relaxation happens. Each out breath is a let go. It's surrender. And then again breathing in, filling it up with life, with energy, with chi, and then exhaling, deflating. With the next breath, you fill the entire head, your whole brain, your whole skull, you fill it with air. Imagine that this ball fills your entire cranial cavity with breath. As it expands, it fills that whole space. And again, with exhalation, you just surrender, you let go. Take a few deep breaths in this way. Allow your whole brain, your whole head to fill up, and then exhale and let go. With the next breath, imagine that this ball covers the entire area of your body under your skin. So when you breathe in, you're breathing in between the skin and all the underlying tissues of your body. It's this air, this energy, this current is filling you up. Stay with this breath for a few breaths. Keep expanding and letting go. Expanding and letting go. Filling up your fascia, all the connective tissue with breath and energy. Practice this anytime you like to bring your awareness back to yourself, to calm your mind, to expand your breath, to bring life into your body. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy.